Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pumpkin pie using canned pumpkin. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin, not the pie filling, along with 12 ounces of evaporated milk. Don't forget 2 large eggs, lightly beaten, and a blend of spices to bring out that classic flavor. This simple approach ensures a perfect pie every time. Next, let's create our signature spice blend. Combine 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Whisk these spices together with your sugar and salt. Then, gradually incorporate the beaten eggs and evaporated milk into the pumpkin puree. Mix until the batter is smooth and well combined, ensuring no lumps remain. Now for the crust and baking. Take 1 unbaked 9-inch pie crust, which can be homemade or store-bought, and place it in your pie dish. Carefully pour the pumpkin mixture into the crust, filling it evenly. Bake your pie at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for an additional 35 to 45 minutes, or until a knife inserted near the center comes out clean. Once baked, the most crucial step is cooling. Allow your pumpkin pie to cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 hours. This helps the filling set properly and prevents cracking. For the best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling the pie in the refrigerator for several hours before serving. Garnish with a dollop of whipped cream or a light dusting of cinnamon for that perfect finishing touch. Enjoy your homemade pumpkin pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.